Hi, so welcome to the Ransomes Ace MK2 lawnmower rebuild. So we were sanding some bits down last time. We've started on the handle here. That's been kind of sanded down a little bit. Done quite a good job here. I am going to get some more detail on that. But when you've got big bits like this, people tend not to close up inspect them. So if a little bit of the paint isn't exactly perfect, doesn't really matter so long as it's been reasonably well primed. And you do need to prime it well, because otherwise your final paint is going to look pretty awful. But as long as there ain't lumps in it, that bit will be okay. Now, this bit here is the bottom blade, which sits under the rolling blade. Right, now these are held on with 4 of these bolts, just sit in it, you know, like that. Now, you can see how yucky and horrible that bolt is. It is just ghastly. Been on that mower since about 1955. So I thought, how can we clean that up a little bit? Sandpaper, yeah, that's okay. You could drop it in malt vinegar. We've done that one before. I thought, let's get them sandblasted. So there you go. They're not quite perfect. I've done those myself. I did them a little bit quick, and I do want to go over them again. I didn't have a very good look because I was just machining them a little bit quickly. But you can see when you put the primer on there, and we'll just mask that end up there with the thread on, with a little bit of masking tape. Spray the rest of that with a bit of primer, then some Ransomes pre-1985 green on it, and a bit of lacquer, and it will look absolutely Boston. It will look brilliant. And the badge, which sits in the middle of the handle for the Ransomes Ace MK2 England, we've sandblasted that, and that's really important. Again, you can just see a little imperfection there, which I didn't notice when I was doing it. I'll just run those through the machine again ever so quickly. But when it's properly sandblasted, it will take the primer really well. The primer will really attach well to it. So it's a really good idea to do that, because otherwise you're going to have bits of dirt and rust, and these are the original kind of bolts and threads on there. As I said, I will do those again, and that's about where we are with it. Oh, I know what I was going to say to you, the wheels. Now, obviously we're rubbing down lots of stuff, but you've never ever really see a Ransomes Ace MK2 with the rubber tyres. Now, not so much this one, but the other one. The other one is really starting to perish. I'm a little bit terrified. If we take the tyres off, could they split, and may we not be able to get them on again? So unless I can find another set of backup tyres, I'm going to leave these on, and we're just going to degrease with a sponge and some lukewarm water with some washing up liquid in it, and then just give it a rinse, and hopefully they'll be okay. I mean, the paint colour will perhaps look a little bit different, but then again, you expect wheels to get a bit mucky. So that's what we're going to try, because I just think it would be such a shame if it didn't have the tyres. Anyway, join us again soon for the Ransomes Ace MK2 England lawnmower rebuild. We'll see you soon.